Alright, here's a brief overview of the sawmill. Not operating, just visual of it. This is at the starting point. That rack right there, you can see plugged into the hitch. That's the flitch rack. That's where the flitch goes, waiting to be straight lined. The view from this end, pretty dusty. There's a drag back, the board drag back in the stowed position. Right here's the handle for it. Pull that lever, and the drag back comes down, just like that. Okay. There's a scale, there's hydraulics right there, forward and reverse. This is my limiter for forward so that I can't push it too far forward too fast. Electric motor for electric up, gravity down, the brake. Right here underneath where the handle is, if I pull that handle, it goes down, bump that button, and it goes up. Pull a little bit, down it comes. Up. There you go. There's the T-handle for the blade guide. Tension. This is clutch handle. Right here. Pull that lever. Big heavy-duty roller guide bearing comes up. Engages the blade. Here we go. Here's the hydraulic pump. Zoom in there a little bit. There you go. Hydraulic pump. Had big old can exhaust system on the engine. This is a 38 horse Kohler. I took that can exhaust system off, put dual mushroom mufflers on so that I make room for hydraulics and things of that nature. Here's the front view. This is the location where I can do real short vlogs, about 30 inches. Crank handle. Goes over, turn the handle, chain raises up the fence, drops it. Dog's there. There's another dog. This is for longer stock, obviously, right here. Two sets of dogs right there. Cam lever operated right there. Claw log turner. Got a log on the mill. There's a hydraulic system right there that powers this log loader, which is buried in the chips right now because I don't use a log loader under the pole barn. That's a drive chain right there. This handle operates that fence, and this fence is coupled to that fence right there, and another handle here. Claw turner, another dog right there, and even another fence down here. Roller toe boards, one there. There you go. This little deal right here, and you see this cable right here, goes to a reel out here, takes power from the sawmill over to that, down into the framework, and there's two big old truck batteries. So go the other way. Here we go. 2 big old 1250 amp hour truck batteries right in there that power all the electrics that I use. Okay, that's enough.